Hi there, I'm Kyle Hunder. I'm a solutions architect on the professional services team here at Imply. In this video, I'm going to talk a bit about the Imply Cloud architecture. Imply Cloud uses the Amazon Web Services CloudFormation toolset to provision and manage resources in your AWS account. The Imply Cloud implementation is separated into two sections, sometimes called planes. There's the control plane, where clusters are created and maintained, and the data plane, where the cluster processing happens. By separating the responsibilities in this way, your data stays within your own environment and is always under your control. Let's have a look at some of the components involved in the architecture, starting with Imply Cloud Control Plane. The Imply Cloud Control Plane is home to Imply Manager. The Imply Manager is responsible for the creation, management, and monitoring of your cloud instances. Using Imply Manager, you can create new Imply clusters, specifying the instance types and number of servers for each of the different node types. The node types in an Imply cluster are master, query, and data. Once a cluster is created, you can use the Imply Manager to update the configuration of your running clusters, including updating instance types, setting configuration parameters, and viewing the overall health and configuration of the cluster. Another function of the Imply Cloud Control Plane is Imply Clarity. With Clarity, you can monitor the performance of your clusters to understand ingestion speeds, query performance, and server utilization. Now let's look at how the control plane works with the data plane in your AWS environment to provision and manage clusters. Imply Cloud has some prerequisites in order to operate in your AWS environment. These include the provisioning of IAM roles with trust relationships and an S3 bucket. Once all the prerequisites are met, Imply Cloud will initiate the setup of a new virtual private cloud in your account, configure scaling groups for master nodes, query nodes, and data nodes, and an RDS instance for metadata storage. We'll cover these in more detail in another video. Thanks.